My dear students, good morning. Have a smiling day. Children, we are studying lesson number 4, My District. Children, do you know that India is the land of festivals? In our previous class, we prepared a list of festivals celebrated during a year. Today, you will learn more about it. Now, come on page number 32. Now, in this table, you are supposed to classify the list of festivals in the given below way. So, in the date wise one, you are supposed to write the name of the festivals which falls on a particular date. For example, Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, New Year, etc. Then in the second column, you are supposed to write the festivals which falls on a particular Indian tithi. For example, Raksha Bandhan comes on the full moon day of the Shravan Mas. Similarly, Janmashtami is celebrated on the Ashtami of the Shravan month. You can also write festivals like Diwali, Gudi Padwa, Bhai Dooj, Dashera, etc. In the third column, you can write the remaining festivals. For example, Eid, Good Friday, Pateti, Cheti Chand, etc. Now, come on the discuss part. Which festivals are celebrated as the national festivals? So, festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated as the national festivals. Now, come on the second part. Why are the national festivals celebrated? So, Republic Day is celebrated because on 26th January 1950 our constitution came into existence. Similarly, Independence Day is celebrated because on 15th August 1947 our country achieved freedom from the British rule. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October because it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi or the father of our nation. Now come to the third question. Which festivals are celebrated collectively by the people? So the festivals like Holi, Diwali, New Year, Uttarayan, Dhuleti, Janmashtami, Dashera, etc. are celebrated collectively by the people. Now come to the fourth question. Which festivals are associated with business? So Uttarayan, Holi Dhuleti, Diwali, Dashera, Janmashtami, etc. are some festivals that are connected with business. Come on the fifth question. How does each festival differ from one another? So each festival is different from the other in many ways, like the story behind it, its importance, the way we celebrate it, choice of people, the time of the year when it is celebrated, the community that celebrates the festival. For example, Dashera is celebrated by Hindu community, Eid is celebrated generally by Muslim community, Good Friday by Christian community, Pateti by Persian community, Cheti Chand by Sindhi community. Now come on the read part of the same page. Children, you all may have been to a fair. Many fairs have been organized in our districts also. Children, do you know that most of our fairs are organized at our pilgrims and during festivals? So now come on page number 33. In this table, you are supposed to write information related to different fairs which held in your district. Like in Borsad on Janmashtami, a fair is organized. Similarly, in Petla Nagar Palika ground on Bhadrapad Mans Ekadashi, a fair is organized. Similarly, in Bochasan, on the last day of Shravan month, a fair is organized. All three fairs are organized on a pilgrim place. Now come on the discuss part of the in which first question is there, which type of diversity is seen in the fair organized in your district. So diversity in the fairs organized in your district maybe depends that each fair held on different date or different months. Each fair is connected to different festivals. Each fair is organized at a different place. Different fairs are also dedicated to different gods. Each fair has its own tradition and importance. Now come on the second part. What kind of means of entertainment are found in the fair? In the fair you can see different swings, music, photo, studio, dance show, fatal rides like Well of Death or Maut Ka Kuan, magic show, circus, etc. Now come on the right part of the same page. Now here you are supposed to tick mark the appropriate occasion according to the list given. Like wedding card you can use in wedding ceremony but not in a fair. Similarly, fatal rites like the Well of Death can be seen in fair. Similarly, flower pin means a pin, a flower with pin for fixing. It can be seen in wedding for the decoration purpose. Dholak can be seen in wedding ceremony. Similarly, sweet can be seen in fair as well as in wedding ceremony. Now children, all the three tables from page number 32 and 33 you are supposed to write only in the textbook, and discuss part from page number 32 and 33 you are supposed to write only in the notebook. For this session this much only. Okay, thank you and Jai Shri Krishna.